Yo, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to KD's Empire, and we got another interesting video for you guys to check out today. So today's video is going to be about a man that puts a woman on blast for having roaches. Let's get into the video.
I met this girl off Instagram. She done cooked for me. Food look good. I done started seeing buzz. She got a dead roach right here.
Bro, like, why would you record stuff in my house?
Why would you invite me over here knowing that you got roaches?
Okay, it don't matter. Like, why you recording?
Because I'm gonna expose you.
For what?
I met you off Instagram.
It does not matter. Like, that's not cool. Like, why would you do that?
You know what's not cool? You done invited me over here with roaches.
Bro, nobody else has ever had a problem.
I'm not everybody else.
It don't matter. You live in College Park.
We're not talking about me right now.
Going in and out your house. You got a problem. I don't ever record nothing in your house.
We're not talking about me right now. How you gonna invite me over here for dinner and you got a roach and you got one right there?
It do not matter. At
Bruh,
the end of the day,
bruh, no. This not my house.
My house is clean, but just because you see a roach don't mean I'm dirty. Clean.
You don't think you dirty if you got roaches?
No, I'm not dirty.
Where did they come from?
What's your purpose of recording what's going on in my house?
So you feel some kind of way because I pulled my phone out and start recording?
Yes, I do. Like, you wouldn't feel no type of way if I did that? You act like you ain't never seen a roach before, bro. It don't matter. It happened.
So that's not dirty. How I'm going to enjoy my meal and you got roaches?
It's a bug in your plate.
How?
Look at me. Stop playing. Like, who cares? Just
I
pick
care.
them up if it's just that bad for you.
You knew that these roaches was here. Why didn't you pick them up?
And first of all, listen, it don't even matter at this point. Like, it ain't no big deal.
It's a big deal. Look, I don't ever feel comfortable eating this food anymore. How I know ain't no roaches ran across my food? Look,
Man,
I appreciate the meal.
Don't disrespect me. Don't disrespect me like this.
So now I'm disrespecting you?
Yes, you are.
Now I'm
Number one,
disrespecting
you
you.
already recording stuff that's going on in my
Now
house.
I'm disrespecting you.
And now
I'm just laying-
I can't even trust you.
You can't trust me?
I can't even trust
You
you
can't
at
trust
this
me?
point. Because you see,
You should just clean up before I came.
I did clean up.
I wouldn't even be mad if you would have just picked up before I came.
Well, it doesn't matter. It don't matter. You just seen another one, so it don't even matter at this point. Just kill it and go about your merry way. Everybody got bugs.
Look, I appreciate the food. You know, it look good, but I can't eat this.
Everybody got bugs. Oh, well, then you can just get out. What you bugs? Oh, well, then you can just get out. What you gonna do? It don't
I'm
even
out.
matter.
I'm out. Take your food and I'm out.
I'm gonna take my food.
Bye. I'm out of here.
You can go. I don't
Man, because you got roaches. You mad because you got roaches.
It does not matter.
You mad because you got roaches.
No, you mad.
You mad. You mad though. You mad though. You mad though.
You can't eat my food. It don't make no sense.
It's probably anyway. You don't know how to cook. That's the end of it. You got roaches and everything. You got roaches. You got roaches. Now I'm gonna let everybody know you got roaches. And I'll leave right now. I'll leave right now.
Why would you do that?
I don't even want to talk to you no more.
So
Huh?
you feel like you gotta put me on blast?
Yeah.
And you act like you crawling around my house? It's dead.
There's one right there.
It don't matter.
There's one right there.
It do not matter.
Even though that one dead, you could have cleaned that one up. I wouldn't even notice that
You being
one.
real childish right now. You being real childish. I don't like that.
I'm childish.
Yeah, very childish. I don't like that. So you
It's
can
yours.
go back.
It's
You can
yours.
go back to your roach infestation and don't worry about what I got going on over here.
He's mine.
Going back to College Park.
Yeah, man, so definitely came across as being childish. Like, come on, fam. Like, I understand you feeling some type of way about seeing the bug. I understand that. But why in the world would you pull out a phone and start to go live talking about, I'm going to expose you? That's some clown-like behavior, man. And y'all met on Instagram, and you sitting there telling everybody this. Like, keep that type of stuff to yourself, fam. You could have had a conversation like, hey, I'm going to tell you right now, I'm not killing your bugs for you. Them yours. Them your bugs. I'm not touching, like, listen. One of them people that act like they don't see you, like, hey, hey, you getting close. You getting close, like. Oh, woo, boy, man, when I tell you these videos are off the freaking chain, man, I want to know, what would you do? I honestly want to hear from y'all. What would you do if you seen somebody invited you over to their crib, right? It's a young man or a young lady. And the house, it seems like it's clean. They're cooking for you. The food look good. The food look bomb. Like, she looked like she put her whole foot in that thing. Hopefully she did. But it looked like she was throwing down in the kitchen. I don't know what she was doing, man, finishing up or whatnot. And you see a dead bug laying on the floor. And then he said he seen another one crawling. What would you do? Honestly. Like, I'm gonna tell you something, boy. I got some friends, they don't care, but they taking their doggone shoe off and going to work. I'm talking about knock a hole straight through your wall. Wow. But what are you doing? What are you guys going to do in this type of situation, man? Are you going to play it off and act like you don't see that thing? Or are you going to help us smash them things? Like, listen, ain't no shame in my game. Listen, we all have seen a bug before. Let's keep it a band, man. You either have had family members, you've either had friends, or most of y'all done experienced those things yourself. Just popping up, just all over the place, in your shoes, in your clothes, all this. But honestly, I want to hear from y'all. What would you guys do in this particular situation? Personally, I'm not going to be the one to jump on live. That's a complete no-no. Like, we not doing that, fam. All right? I'm not pulling out no camera and anything. I'm not trying to expose. I'm not trying to, that's clown-like behavior, and I'm not doing it. Now, another thing that I'm not doing is I'm not taking my shoe off and smashing or stepping on. I'm not doing it. All right. No, I'm good. But I'll give a pass, man. I mean, some people can't help it, man. All right. You can't help it. You can't get rid of that doggone bug problem. You probably should work on that before you start inviting people over, man. For real. Cause you never know. A lot of people don't have the same feelings behind this little bug situation. But let's hear from y'all, man. What do you guys think about this particular video? All right. Y'all be blessed. Y'all be beautiful. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay away from them bugs, man.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa. Too bad was you know they roll.